Hello everyone! I'm so glad today to share with you our new lesson. It is found in the Reading Book of Wonders on page 38. The title is Maria Celebrates Brazil. And as you can see in the illustration here on page 38, Maria wears special costume, which is related to the culture of Brazil. The genre of the story is realistic fiction, which means that we are going to read a story that is made up, and it has characters that could be real people. The story has a beginning, middle, and end. Now, open your reading book on page 39 to follow along. As you can see in the illustration of page 39, Maria looks angry, and her parents were trying to convince her about something. Let's read together to know what they were talking together about. Maria and her family are in their bright, hot kitchen. Please, Mai, por favor, Maria begs. Mai speaks Portuguese. This is the language of Brazil. No matter how much you beg or plead, you must go to practice. The parade is next week. It's not fair, says Maria in English. Mai does not know a lot of English. Maria is surprised when she asks, "What is not fair about going to practice? You must do the right thing." Anna invited me to her house, Maria answers. I want to go. Pai says, "Maria, the parade is important. People from around the world come to see it. They try our food, see how we dress, and how we live. It is a chance for us to share our culture." I know, but I really want to see Anna, says Maria. Pai says, "Maria, you can see Anna another time. They are giving out costumes at practice today." Maria thinks about her father's words. Pai is right. She and the other children have worked hard for a year. They practiced their dance steps over and over. They even made their own bright, colorful costumes. You're right, Maria says to her father. I'll go to practice. I'll tell Anna I cannot visit her. 1 week passes. Lots of people line the streets. The children in Maria's group are wearing their sparkling costumes. They know each dance step. They dance to the beat. The crowd moves aside as they make their way down the street. When the crowd moves away, Maria sees a woman with a camera. She is hurrying. The woman scurries by Maria. She puts her camera to her eye. Maria smiles from ear to ear. She is excited to be in the parade. Click! The woman takes a picture of Maria. Maria is proud of her hard work.